All right, so this is a big one. Let's talk about both irritability and depression. In the office, I like to think of it as almost two sides of the same coin. Whenever the atlas vertebra, which is the top bone just below the skull, is out of proper position, it puts a lot of stress and strain on your neurology in that area. And for a lot of patients, and for myself included when I'm out of alignment, I will notice both irritability and then a certain amount of I don't know if you could exactly call it depression, sort of like clinical depression, but an overarching sort of disturbance in your mood to where you feel overwhelmed, just kind of low and generally depressed. So there's a lot of you I know that are out there who have had a past history of trauma, like you've had car accidents or falls even a long time ago, and you are experiencing some of those mood disturbances like irritability. Maybe you're feeling depressed as well, kind of subclinical, but you know you're not quite right. I also know that there's a lot of you who are not necessarily wanting to be on meds for that, and I want to encourage you to check out what we're doing in here. So how do we address that area? Well, I take very specific x-rays of the head and neck once I've determined that somebody is out of alignment, and those three-dimensional films actually get analyzed to measure the displacement of the structures below the skull. What we do from there is somebody would actually be on their side, and we would be influencing the head and the neck back into proper alignment and then releasing it using a sound wave. Never any popping or cracking. So if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, if you guys are suffering out there from just irritability, not feeling good, you're not yourself, you don't have the energy, you're experiencing the fatigue, this kind of stuff, I want to hear from you guys. I would love for you to tag somebody in some of the comments below. Shoot us a DM, get in touch with me. I want you to know that there are things that you can do outside necessarily of drugs, potentially be feeling a whole lot better. So give us a shout and take it easy. God bless.